Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there, guys. It's never a dull moment in crypto. That is why I love doing daily market updates. And yes, I'm doing it from my kitchen at the moment because it's Christmas holidays and it's 40 degrees centigrade in Melbourne today. And it's ridiculous. I'm not going to the office because it's going to be too hot. And it's Christmas holidays. Again, Christmas holidays. Anyway, let's get straight into all the crypto news, guys. It's something new happening every single day. We've got updates in relation to Ripple and XRP, of course. JP Morgan, I'm seeing a few comments on this one. I'm going to go through their cross-border payments projects, so stick with me on that one. Obviously, Gary Gensler's giving some more warnings about crypto. He's just gone mad with power, and that's just ridiculous. We have Japan legalizing stablecoins now, and Bitcoin potentially going to $1.8 million USD per coin in 4 years. 4 years, that's four. What do you think about that? Anyway, let's get straight into it, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well. Because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. It's been insane so far. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through. It would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. Do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my #1 golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose, but you can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto. So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. And yes, I'm advocating for cold crypto storage, all right? So it could be an Algorand, it could be a Ledger, could be a Trezor, whatever you're comfortable with, guys. And if you can't afford any of those, I still personally use Trust Wallet and it's fine for me. You have those 12 words. Be very careful with those with any wallet, all right? If you've got 24, I salute you because that's intense. Anyway, that's it for the formalities, guys. Let's go to the community tab today. I'm a little bit sunburnt from yesterday. I'm going to get some more sun today, but let's have a look. These were the altcoins up in my portfolio this morning. We had Acro, Luna Classic, XRP, the Graph, and BTT, all right? Now, I do this on a daily basis to show what's moving in my portfolio. If you're in the Patreon now, I put up the entire list. So let's go to CoinSpot, guys. Just quickly have a look here at Bitcoin's price today. Now, there is a referral link below for CoinSpot. This is personally the exchange that I use every single week to buy my cryptos. And if you use the referral link below, you will get $10 in Bitcoin. Of course, do your own research with this stuff. All the prices you see here are in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to USD because I'm catering for everybody around the world, including my Aussie fans, all right? Now, and also I've taken most of my assets off CoinSpot and I have put them into cold storage. Very important. I'm only keeping the ones on the platform that I'm staking, and I'm well and truly prepared to lose those for now. And obviously when I build out my own staking platform, which is, you know, for everybody pretty much, I will be putting my coins on that platform and I will be putting all of the assets as well. So stay tuned. It's a big project. Now, Bitcoin's sitting at $25,000 today. Ethereum's at 1,800 AUD and XRP's at 55 cents. Now, I'm going to do something different today. I'm going to go to CoinMarketCap and I'm actually going to show you my portfolio right here. This is everything that I'm holding. Bitcoin's sitting at 16,800 USD today. Ethereum's at $1,200, still up, slightly on the day. XRP's doing quite nicely, all right, 36 cents, which is good. Doge, ADA, Matic, Tron, Sheeb, Solana, XLM, Quant, VeChain are all in the green today. In actual fact, let's just go do the whole thing here. Let's go here. So these are my top gainers in my portfolio today. Luna Classic, 8.87%. You've got Quant up 4.37, guys, $110 US at the moment. Really annoying. It just does not want to drop down below that $100 mark USD, which is annoying because I've been wanting to buy more. XRP's up 4.11% as well to 36 cents USD. Casper at 2 cents. BTT, Rose, Telcoin, Luna as well, 2.4% as well. ADA and XDC up there, guys. Now, if I keep scrolling down here, of course, I've got Ubix, Digibyte, Theta, XLM, The Graph, Atlas, Near Protocol, UFO. And basically, it starts going very, very low in the percentages. And one I'm very bullish on, guys, is Reef. All right, so that's something different today. That's basically my portfolio. I've got my whole thing anyway. I'll put it up in the Patreon, so make sure you join that. and feel free to use the coin spot. Now let's go to Crypto Bubbles. And again, the Wall Street Bull Patreon is linked below. Please feel free to join up, guys. A very bullish community I'm building here of serious investors for both crypto and dividend stocks as well. Building passive income. I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my daily altcoin lists as well. What's pumping, what I believe is going to be good. Obviously, all my crypto trading strategies are in the group as well. And more importantly, my cash flow from the dividends. So make sure you join up. It's linked below. Now let's go to Crypto Bubbles. Now, obviously, Luna Classic is the biggest one on the day today, 8.7%. It's still up 22% on the week. Quant is no longer involved with Luna Classic. All right, so there's developers involved in this project. He's no longer in this project at all. So I don't understand everyone's hesitation. I know there's a significant amount of coins as well. You get like billions of coins if you're putting in a few $1,000s, but I just want to point out as well that this already was, guys, $110. So it can do it again. Just depends on whether or not they're going to be burning the tokens. Now, Quant is up 4.2% on the day, 5.9% on the week, which is really nice. But again, it's really annoying because I wish I had bought more at this level, which was around here. I did buy some around the $60 mark back in July. It dropped down and I picked some up, which was really nice. Okay, so I'm still up in my Quant investment, which is really good. Now, Lido DAO as well is up 5.7% on the day and 8.5% on the week. I'm not invested in Lido DAO. I'm steering clear of DAOs at the moment because I've had a bad experience with them. That's no joke. And I do Casper, and of course XRP is up 3.7% on the day and 7% on the week. Now, obviously, there's some updates in relation to this. Now, it did flip BNB or BUSD, guys, in market cap as well. So the market cap of Ripple's XRP has overtaken that of Binance's BUSD with a margin of around $700 million. Is XRP eyeing for the third spot, top three? Now, going back obviously to 2018. Okay, so I just want to make this very clear, and this is why I'm so bullish on Ripple and XRP, because I believe it can be done again. Ripple XRP overtakes Ethereum as the second largest cryptocurrency on the CEO's bullish bet. This is no joke. This actually happened. And if you scroll down here, this is actually on CoinMarketCap back in 2018. Look at that. It was the number 2 cryptocurrency out of everything. Obviously, you've got Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cash, and EOS. But I just want to point out as well, guys, that it is still remaining in the top cryptocurrencies, even though there's a freaking lawsuit going on. I mean, it will happen again. So go look it up for yourself. It will happen again. I'm very, very bullish on Ripple. And obviously, guys, they are making some moves, which I did report in my video yesterday. Palau reportedly partners with Ripple to launch national stablecoin. Okay, so if you have noticed this, the Aussies here in Australia are building out our Australian stablecoin on Ripple's XRPL and Stellar Lumen's XLM. So they're both using XLM and Ripple, sorry. Now, Palau's getting involved, and this is just the beginning for everything with Ripple. I mean, again, they're not only going after stable coins now for countries, they're doing cross-border payments, on-demand liquidity, guys, probably NFTs for real estate, which is going to be absolutely enormous. It's very, very bullish. Now, I have been seeing some comments in relation to JPM's or JP Morgan's competitor, which is this project right here, Partior. Again, I'm doing a deep dive into this, but I just want to mention that, a little bit about it. But it's basically Partior. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but I did look up the actual YouTube video of this, but it's Partior. Anyway, is a blockchain technology provider for payments, clearing and settlement, founded by DBS Bank, massive bank, by the way, JP Morgan, and Temasek right here. So the firm won their solution project Nucratis right here, enabling connectivity and interoperability for mCBDCs, which is a blockchain-based multi-CBDC network that supports both account-based token and CBDC models. So that is pretty much what it is, guys. So it's JP Morgan's competitor to Ripple and XRP. Am I worried? No, I am definitely not worried about that. Again, Ripple has far superior technology. And basically, I believe that JP Morgan and all of these other, banks that are trying to compete with, interoperability and cross-border payments, they are fearful of Ripple XRP because they're going to get a monopoly. That's what, in my opinion, is going to happen. And they've already got the banks and partnerships to back that up as well, by the way. Now, obviously, we've got Japan is set to lift its stablecoin ban. crypto enthusiasts can expect this in 2023, which is really interesting. So the top financial regulator of Japan indicated that in 2023 could see some positive changes with regards to major stablecoins. These include Tether USD, USDT, and USDC. Basically, according to the Japanese local media, the Financial Services Agency is set to lift a controversial ban on domestic distribution of stablecoins issued overseas in 2023. And as per the report by CoinSpot, the Financial Services Agency made the decision after revising the Cabinet Office ordinances. Furthermore, the agency further plans to establish appropriate guidelines which stands in line with the last revised Payment Services Act. The FSA also conducted a review of stablecoins and their potential impact on Japan's financial system. The financial regulator stated that in their interest of consumer protection, stablecoins issued overseas will be supervised by local distributors rather than their foreign issuers. Additionally, these distributors will protect the stablecoin's value. Sufficient reserves would be maintained. A limit of 1 million yen per transaction would be enforced for the remittances facilitated by these stablecoins. And it's really interesting to see that these governments are freaking out because it could basically disrupt the traditional finance system. This is why I love cryptocurrency, because that's basically what it's doing. Now, everyone's favorite Mr. Gary Gensler warns imminent crypto crackdown, explains why proof of reserves has no value. This guy is an absolute fool. I'm sick and tired of you, mate. So the chair of ESEC reportedly says that a crackdown on crypto industry is imminent in the wake of FTX's high-profile collapse. Thank you, Sam Bankman-Fried, you effing idiot. According to the report by Bloomberg, Chair S. Gary Gensler says that the regulatory agency is coming after crypto firms that don't comply with its rules and compares such companies to casinos. The runway is getting shorter. The casinos in the Wild West are non-compliant intermediaries. He also says that the trend of crypto exchanges proving that they have reserve assets to back up their customer funds means nothing, as practice doesn't live up to current regulatory disclosure standards. Proof of reserves is neither a full accounting of the assets and liability of the company, nor does it satisfy segregation of customer funds under the securities laws. According to Gensler, regulators should focus on making sure crypto firms separate their funds and their customers' funds, as well as keep accurate records of all transactions. There are some in the field that have talked about ways to give customers confidence that their crypto is really there. They should do that by coming into compliance with the tested custody segregation, customer funds rules, and accounting rules. This is why I'm saying if somebody doesn't, stop Mr. Gensler through precedents and case law, this man is going to destroy cryptocurrencies just in general, all right? Even especially in the United States, he's just out of control. Even on Christmas, right? Even a couple of days. Now, Bitcoin volatility stagnates, but New Year's party for Bitcoin could be in sight, which would be beautiful. How nice would that be? And after the FTX chaos died down, the majority of assets in the cryptocurrency market have been seeing uneventful chart patterns in recent weeks, with the industry's main representative, Bitcoin, measuring record low volatility. Indeed, Bitcoin hasn't moved out of the $16,600 to $16,900 range since December 16th, in a sideways trading pattern that followed dramatic decline after the collapse of FTX, one of the world's largest crypto exchanges in the world, as noted by crypto analyst Income Sharks on December 25th. Bitcoin has basically been trading sideways all year. Like, it literally has been flatlining. It's just an accumulation phase, in my opinion, guys. That's what I believe. I've been holding Bitcoin since 2017 and have not sold it, and I will not sell it because it's just gone up in value. And had I have put more money into Bitcoin back in 2017, I would have done very, very well, okay? But those days, money was hard to come by, and that's no joke. Anyway, now this is the most crazy thing I've ever seen, but historical Bitcoin Merry Christmas cycle could send Bitcoin to $1.8 million in 4 years. What do you think about that one? As 2022 comes to an end, Bitcoin is extending its sideways trading patterns I just showed after the turbulent year mostly dominated by bearish conditions. However, despite Bitcoin consolidation, the asset price movement aligns with historical trajectory, whatever, tongue twister, that could build the foundation for flagship cryptocurrencies to reach new highs. What do you think about Bitcoin going to $1.8 million? I've seen so many fund managers and institutions talk about this going to $1 million. I've seen Kathy Woods, Michael Saylor, I've seen freaking Mark Cuban. How many major investors are saying that Bitcoin will go to $1 million? What do you think? I'm serious. Comment below about that one. Now, and again, Partior, I just showed you that before. I'm not worried about that at all, guys. It's, Ripple's got the far superior technology, and I don't think it's going to be affecting anything, guys. Just JP Morgan's just scared of Ripple pretty much. Now, if we go to cryptometer.io, my phone is having a moment, ladies and gentlemen, and this website tends to have a moment as well. But we've got money going to Ethereum, Bitcoin, of course, Chainlink, DOT, GMT, Steppen, USDT, and JPY. Let me just have a look here, guys. And it's still doing the same thing. Screw it. Let's go to Twitter, ladies and gentlemen, see what's going on here. There isn't much, just a lot of people celebrating their Christmas, New Year's, whatever's coming up. Okay, when I get 100,000 subs on my YouTube channel, I'll be giving this away. The bull ring right there, it's no joke. And Craig Wright, thank you, Michael Branch, for this one. Craig Wright calls XRP useless pump and dump scheme. Ripple CTO hits back. Craig Wright, obviously, in my opinion, knows who Satoshi Nakamoto is, and he's probably not around anymore. I don't know, but he does know, and he's not disclosing it, obviously, and it's going to be very annoying. But I don't see the benefit in attacking Ripple. And obviously, David Schwartz has defended Ripple and has called him out as well. So this is, in my opinion, this is what happens during bear markets anyway. And do you believe it will happen again? Yes, of course, I do believe that as well. XRP will be number 2. And Black Swan Capitalist right here. Despite a global economic and financial crisis, Ripple continues to expand its reach internationally. The demand for XRP on-demand liquidity continues to gain global momentum. Absolute facts. You've got some interesting stuff here, guys. Again, Japan to lift the ban on foreign stablecoins like USDT in 2023, which is nice. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 28, still at fear. Grayscale, who holds about 635,000 Bitcoin, might fall, and Bitcoin price will face a massive capitulation. Now, that is a lot of Bitcoin. That is just a lot of Bitcoin. If that happens, it's not going to be good. Palau's president says that the country is working with Ripple. That's a freaking no-brainer right there. That is me training this morning. Yes, I did a workout first time in a very long time, and I got my ass into the gym because it's hot and I need to get fit, and I don't want to be fat because I've got to deliver every day. And this was yesterday, guys. Bitcoin's returns over the years, and again, just looking at that, it's just ridiculous. I mean, look at these returns. 9,000%, 1,400, 186, 5,000%. 1,000, 95, 301, 66, 65, it's down. It'll go back up. And honestly, but I believe this will just absolutely skyrocket when it goes to $100,000. It will. It's done it very, very much so in Australian dollars, but it will do it in US dollars again. And that is pretty much it on Twitter, guys. And again, coin market cap, we've got a total volume in the last 24 hours of $22.2 billion. It's very low. Beautiful buying opportunities, in my opinion. $813 billion in USD market cap, 22,130 cryptocurrencies, even number today. Can you believe that? It's absolutely crazy. And yes, guys, my banking coins are the ones that I'm buying at the moment. You can see them right here. Ethereum, XRP, ADA, AVAX, Link, XLM, Quant, Algorand, Hedera, IOTA, XDC, Casper, LCX was pumping it the other day, and Alliance Block. All right. So again, I'm not paid by any of these companies. I just like the projects because I follow the money. That's it for today's video, guys. I'm out of here. Make sure you enjoy your summer break, whatever you're doing. And if you've got some cold weather over there in the United States and in Europe, please be careful and send some snow here because it's really hot today, like ridiculous. Anyway, thanks very much, guys. I'll speak to you soon. Stay safe. Peace out, bye.